So let us begin with the first question. An application regularly uploads files from an Amazon EC2 instance to an Amazon S3 bucket. The files can be a couple of gigabytes in size, and sometimes the uploads are slower than desired. What method can be used to increase throughput and reduce upload times? So you have got four options. This is your option 1, this is your option 2, option 3, and option 4. You have got 10 seconds time to answer this question, and your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, turn off versioning on the destination bucket, is incorrect because versioning doesn't affect upload speed. Okay, so option number 1 is the wrong answer. Option 2, randomize the object names when uploading, also incorrect because it doesn't impact upload performance. So option 2 is the wrong answer. Option 3, upload the files using the S3 copy SDK or REST API, also incorrect because it's not the best approach for large files. So option number 3 is the wrong answer. Option 4, use Amazon S3 multi-part upload. This option is correct because it allows large files to be uploaded in parallel, increasing throughput and reducing upload times. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct answer. Got it? Let us move to the next question. The development team at an e-commerce startup has set up multiple microservices running on EC2 instances under an application load balancer. The team wants to route traffic to multiple backend services based on the URL path of the HTTP header. So it wants requests for HTTPS www.example.com orders to go to a specific microservice, and request for HTTPS www.example.com/products to go to another microservice. Which of the following features of the application load balancers can be used for this use case? So you have got again four options. This is your option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. You're gonna have 10 seconds time to answer the question. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, HTTP header based routing, is incorrect because it routes based on HTTP headers, not URL paths. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 1. Option 3, Option 3, host based routing, is incorrect because it routes based on the domain name, not URL paths. So option number 3 is also the wrong answer. Option 4, query string parameter based routing, also incorrect because it routes based on query string parameters, not URL paths. So option number 4 is also the wrong answer. Option 2, path based routing, is correct because it allows routing traffic to specific services based on the URL path. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct answer. Got it? Let us move to the next question. A leading news aggregation company offers hundreds of digital products and services for customers ranging from law firms to banks to consumers. The company bills its clients based on per unit of clickstream data provided to the clients. As the company operates in a regulated industry, it needs to have the same ordered clickstream data available for auditing within a window of 7 days. As a solutions architect, which of the following AWS services provides the ability to run the billing process and auditing process on the given clickstream data in the same order? So you have got four options again. This is option 1, this is option 2, this is option 3, and this is option 4. Okay, your time starts now. 10 seconds. Okay. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, AWS Kinesis data firehose, is incorrect because it's designed for loading data into storage services, not processing ordered data. Okay, so option number 2 is the wrong answer. Option 3, AWS Kinesis data analytics, is incorrect because it's for analyzing data, not processing ordered data for billing and auditing. Okay, so option number 3 is also the wrong answer. Option 4, Amazon SQS, is incorrect because it's a message queue service not designed for ordered data processing. So option number 4 is also the wrong answer. Option 1, AWS Kinesis data streams, is correct because it provides ordered real-time processing of clickstream data suitable for both billing and auditing. Okay, so option 1, AWS Kinesis data streams, is the correct answer for this question. Okay, let us move to the next question. A company hosts an application on Amazon EC2 instances behind application load balancers in several AWS regions. Distribution rights for the content require that users in different geographies must be served content from specific regions. Which configuration meets these requirements? You have got 4 options again. This is option 1, this is option 2, this is option 3, and this is option 4. 10 seconds time and your timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, configure application load balancers with multi-region routing. This option is incorrect because it doesn't consider user location. So option number 1 is wrong. Option 2, configure Amazon CloudFront with multiple origins and AWS WAF. Also incorrect because it doesn't ensure users access content from specific regions. Okay, so option number 2 is also the wrong answer. Option 3, create Amazon Route 53 records with a geo-proximity routing policy. This option is incorrect because it routes users to the nearest region, not a specific region required by distribution rights. Okay, so option number 3 is also the wrong answer. Option 4, create Amazon Route 53 records with a geolocation routing policy. This option is correct because it directs users to a specific region based on their location, meeting the distribution rights requirements. Okay, so at the end, option number 4 is the correct answer. Got it? Let us move to the next question. This is the last question for today's video. Okay, a financial services company is migrating their messaging queues from self managed message oriented middleware systems to Amazon SQS. The development team at the company wants to minimize the costs of using SQS. As a solutions architect, which of the following options would you recommend for the given use case? So you have got 4 options again. This is your option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So you have got 10 seconds time to answer the question. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, use SQS visibility timeout to retrieve messages from your Amazon SQS queues. This option is incorrect because it is used to control message visibility, not minimize costs. Okay, so option number 1 is the wrong answer. Option 2, use message timer to retrieve messages from your Amazon SQS queues. This option is incorrect because it's used to delay message processing, not reduce costs. So option number 2 is also the wrong answer. Option 3, use SQS short polling to retrieve messages from your Amazon SQS queues. This option is also incorrect because it increases costs by making frequent requests to SQS even when no messages are available. Okay, so option number 3 is also the wrong answer. Option 4, use SQS long polling to retrieve messages from your Amazon SQS queues. So this option is correct because it reduces costs by minimizing the number of requests made to SQS as it waits for messages to appear in the queue. Okay, this is why option number 4 is the correct option. So that's it for today's video. If you are liking the questions, then Please make sure to leave a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family who are appearing for the exam, and also subscribe to AMG Cloud, because we have many questions and many sessions like these for AWS Solutions Architect and also AWS Cloud Practitioner. Both are given in separate playlists. You can go and attempt the questions. And that's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video with a new set of questions. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. Thank you, and bye bye.